adapted to the dictating currently drive the breeding force and the moisture in the male capitalization to real and slide talent. The bride is
这次断掉了。
他网不好，我跟你说了，哎呀，好烦啊！
没跟我说，掐着要干嘛不要他？
可以了，有人看吗？好了好了，有人看了，你不要出来，这头必须有人。往这边来，往这边来。没飞走吗？
好。Okay, one different and the difference were known between the breeding force and the breeding force, between the breeding force and the male lenders. Now look the picture. This is the male with the diameter of 6.8 meter and 16 meters. Okay, look the picture. This is the full male after the smell male with 11.2
你是不差不多。哦，还没刷成。
刚才已经是全屏了，
就双击不行啊。
你点上面有一个播放的。
你讲吧，没事。
This picture is the full male after the smelling activation male with 20.2 meter in diameter. Nice. The statement that small undertree and small empty is not a contract.
你好累啊！
哎呀，还没好啊！认识了，这个。With the
就是每年要对你就每年按照这个要求来问，当然这我也知道嘛。
The line of ball mill where this is 8 to 13 maybe, which is the most on in the current working condition of the is why and as for the configuration with the ruler price under the new material communication, where the ball mill is the best change. Now, what the diameter and the length of the ball mill small be slender. The working 3. The working 3 of AG mills and ICG mills is changed for creating function. The above terms are not in the set of our presentation today. Ball mills is the kind of the breeding meat with small for string cheese, having neck and operation and reliable and stable for lunch schedule in nutrition by education.
Okay, so my dear friend, if you are interested in our casting forging products, especially the new liner products, so could you please try to follow us? Try to follow us on Alibaba shop. Yes. Also, please try to send us the inquiry and your requirements about new liner, new liners. Wear castings, heat castings, and cure-resistant castings. Then we will try to study your requirements and prepare for the best offer for you. Okay, so okay, this page. Okay, so we just introduced a lot for us. So let's go on. Since its birth in 1891 until today, ball mills have been widely used in mining, cement, coal-fired power plants, chemical engineering, power and other industries. Powder and other industries. So the mill diameter ranges from 0.5 meter in the powder industry to 12.2 meter in modern mines. And the mill length ranges from 2.1 meter in the chemical engineering industry to 14.1 meter long in cement industry. The ball mill has created mines in the history of modern industry. Okay, so read, could you please? Unfortunately, yes.
Unfortunately, few people really understand ball mills in the fine grading practice. A ball mill is the key to improve the efficacy and reduce
To improve the efficiency and reduce the energy consumption. Okay, the ball mills, yes. The ball mill is a low efficiency grinding machine, which effective power is generally about 15%. So in view of working principle of the ball mill, it is equipped with a drying motor with huge power. With the development of industrialized production, the specifications of With the development of industrialized production, the specifications of crushing and grinding equipment becomes larger and larger. Yes. At present,
The common cement mills are usually 3.8 to 5 meters in diameter, and the motor is equipped with 2,800 to 300 and 500 kW. In large mines, the diameter of commonly used ball mills is 6 to 8 meters, and the power is 4,000 to 15,600 kW. The installed power of edge mills and stank mills is 2.2 meters in diameter, which come from the variation of the ball mills has reached 2,800 kW. Yes. Okay, so read, could you please?
The large size ball mills not only come to high age, but also are operating in harsh working conditions, which make higher requirements on variation
Materials, yes.
materials.
Okay. For example, in a semi-automatic mine mill with a diameter of 10.37 meters or more, the service life of one set of mill liners 400 millimeters thick is often less than 3 months. Okay. So what's our conclusion?
Therefore, the ball mill must increase
Efficiency. Yes.
efficiency and repeated consumption. So the new breeding content of the ball mill stem should be
Introduced, yes. Okay, let's come to the next page. So actually, the working conditions of ball mills in the cement and mining industry, have undergone tremendous changes. The wide application of roller press, edge mills, and stank mills has reduced the feed size of the ball mills to the micro level. The so-called crushing silo has died out in name, and the multi-compartment division of the ball mills is meaningless. So the effective length of about 10-meter cement mills provides a good foundation for the efficiency improvement and power consumption reduction of the ball mills. Under the new working conditions, the first important task is to clarify what's the main job for the ball mill. Yes, ball mill. So,
The new content believes that the job of the ball mills is to digest the shape of the package, also close to curve as possible, to adjust the printed straight of the to make the incorporation to make the pavement to brighten in high register created to make the or to obtain the highest station rate. Price one day, the ball mill will change its name to shipping market. The internet on the internal straight of the ball mills.
Yes. So now let's come to the section 5. Yes. Section 5, the internal structure of the ball mills. So under the new working conditions, to adapt to the new work, the internal structure of the ball mills must be changed. So how to change? Okay.
How to change?
Next page. Okay. Yes. So firstly, we put forward the new concept of single compartment mill. Yes. The core meaning is cancelling the intermediate diaphragm plates.
As you already know, the intermediate plates will activate the breathing inactivate of the ball mill. Have the first layer.
Also calls the main maintenance. Yes. Okay. Let's come to the next page. Okay. So the basis of the single chamber mill concept is the simplex work of the ball mills. Yes. The pre-crushing system before entering into the mills has completed crushing the materials. Okay.
The single chamber mills affect the work of the ball mills. It makes the materials in the mills to run more stable and smoothly. It makes the quality of the materials in the mills more consistent.
Okay, good. Okay, so please note that the single compartment mill is by no means as simple as removing the intermediate diaphragms. Great place, yes.
More than 20 years ago, we populated the ball mills statement in mining 3. The working quantity of the ball mill is the temperature scientific system.
Engineering, system engineering, yes. Okay, okay. So the length of 13 meters in the ball mill is a long journey for the grinding material. Based on the operation of the material in the single chamber mills, the maximum diameter of the material and the particle structure of the materials are different from the feeding end to the discharging end. Okay?
And
each grinding, yes.
Each grinding of the material and the breathing material.
No, this one. Each grinding section.
Each grinding section of the ball mills has different
requirements, yes.
Requirements for the grinding
trajectory. Yes.
And activity.
Activation
of the material and the breathing media.
Yes, good. Therefore, it must not remain unchanged. It means we should change destination. Okay, so
the mill liners in the single chamber mills are often disciplined to consist of 5 or 6 chambers.
yes. Yes, so in the industrial test of a cement mill with a diameter of 3.8 meters and 30 meters long, the single chamber mill installed with combined self-fixing beltless liners has been successfully operated for 7 years. So compared with the traditional mills, the output has increased by 20% and the power consumption per ton is only about 25 kWh. More importantly, the service life of wear-resistant materials has been increased by more than 50%. Yes. So,
In the cement mill with the diameter of 4.2 and 60.5 long. The open for or is as high as 14.5 cements.
okay, so the third one, the electricity consumption per ton is about 24 kWh. So now let's come to section 6. Here we'll talk about the gradation of the grinding balls. Okay.
In the rural price, grading price, see the increasing function of the ball mill is no longer needed. The new concept believes that